Number 1, 67 Thunderbird Coupe, $5, Richmond, Point Annex, California. This 1967 Ford Thunderbird Coupe runs, but is a fair condition project due to electrical issues that drain the battery and rust on the rear louver. Odometer is broken, showing 109,876 miles. The seller invested approximately $10,000 in parts, carburetor, ignition, air conditioning, making it a strong foundation. With a clean title and automatic transmission, this classic cruiser deserves electrical and body attention to become a summer standout. Number 2, 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J, $15,000, Inglewood, Colorado. An excellent condition 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix Model J featuring an XH Code 400 V8 and TH400 automatic transmission. Fully equipped with power steering, front disc brakes, tilt steering column, air conditioning, currently disconnected, soft gray glass, and luxury vinyl top. Exterior and mechanical components have been refreshed, including new headliner, carpet, tires, and chrome plating. It is a refined classic with clear title and strong Grand Prix presence. Number 3, 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe, $18,900, Kirkland, Washington. A nearly stock 1976 Corvette Coupe with a 350 engine and 4-speed manual transmission. Professionally maintained with headers, X-pipe, and Dynomax mufflers for a deeper voice without offending purists. With 72,000 miles odometer rolled, it offers excellent performance and a modern driving feel while maintaining originality. Comes with service records and is mechanically strong. Number 4, 1969 Plymouth Barracuda, $19,000 Will, California. A highly desirable 1969 slickback Barracuda with red paint, rare vinyl top, and only 600 built in this style. It houses a 318 cubic inch V8, automatic transmission, 71.4 rear end, and rebuilt drivetrain and rear end. Minimal rust, great for new drivers, and a standout first classic experience. Runs and drives beautifully. An iconic Mopar muscle rare to come by. Number 5, 1964 Chevrolet Belair 2-door post, $19,000, Riverside, California. This well-preserved 1964 Belair Coupe retains original California ownership and 61,879 miles, stored in a garage for 57 years. Powered by a 283 V8 and 3-speed automatic transmission, it runs and shifts nicely after a recent trans rebuild. Minor paint and upholstery updates are needed. Small body blemishes exist. A solid, almost survivor-quality car ready for gentle restoration. Number 6, 1950 Dodge 2-door Coupe, $17,009, Albuquerque, North Valley, New Mexico. A rare Wayfarer 230 cubic inch inline 6 with fluid drive transmission in excellent condition. With 52,107 miles, the original engine, and recent updates, including radiator and carburetor, this Dodge is smooth and comfortable. It features a huge trunk, and even the factory vented air system still works. A pleasure to drive and remarkably well preserved. Number 7. 1955 Buick Century 2-door hardtop, $18,000, Port Orchard, Washington. This 1955 Buick Century hardtop features a rebuilt engine, good transmission, and extensively re-chromed exterior, 90%. With no rust, good tires, brakes, and refreshed interior and trunk area, it blends mid-50s Buick elegance with reliable operation. It's a classy cruiser ready for weekend outings. Number 8. 1949 Dodge Coronet 2-door sedan, $10,000, Winston, Oregon. A solid original 1949 Dodge Coronet sedan with a 6-cylinder engine, 3-speed manual transmission, and only 57,000 miles. Kept in storage for over 40 years, it runs perfectly with new radial tires. Ideal as a vintage daily driver with genuine patina and old-school style. Number 9. 1947 Ford Super Deluxe 15, Huntington Beach, California. This show-quality 1947 custom Ford Super Deluxe features a full frame-off restoration, including a high-output Chevy 350, 700R transmission, disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, and custom interior. With near-perfect paint and ride quality, it is a dependable cruiser suitable for any destination. A standout build. Number 10. 1954 Plymouth Suburban Wagon, $14,500, Ridgefield, Washington. A beautifully maintained 1954 Suburban 2-door wagon with original 6-cylinder engine, only 38,000 miles, and manual transmission. The stock interior and fresh brakes make it functional and charming vintage utility vehicle. A clean and practical classic. Number 11. 1965 Ford Thunderbird, $11,000, Ocean Shores, Washington. This 1965 Lincoln-based Thunderbird features a rebuilt 390 V8 and matching transmission. All systems function properly, including the air conditioning. With 145,000 miles, it offers smooth V8 performance and classic T-Bird comfort. A solid, stylish cruiser ready for the open road. Number 12, 1963 Buick Skylark convertible, $14,800 Sawasin Duncan, British Columbia. An excellent condition 1963 Buick Skylark convertible, featuring a V8 engine, automatic transmission, power steering, and no rust. Originally from Oregon, this rust-free classic has been in British Columbia for years and is ready to drive. A rare turnkey drop top perfect for collectors. Number 13, 1977 Volkswagen T2 Bus, $14,000, Bend, Oregon. A late bay window transporter setup as a camper with sleeping platform and basic kitchenette. Powered by a carbureted 2000cc engine with tighter shifting than stock. With rollover odometer, it shows good mechanical health. A fun, stylish camper for road trips, festivals, and nostalgic adventures. Number 14, 1979 Jeep CJ5, $14,000, Ridgefield, Oregon. This restored CJ5 combines classic patina with modern drivability, featuring a Jeep 6-cylinder engine, GM 5-speed transmission, fuel injection, and tilt column. It offers comfortable, capable driving, soft top and doors included, ready for trail season and attention wherever it goes. Number 15, 1974 Volkswagen 412, $6,000, Park, California. A rarely seen VW 412 with automatic transmission and 80,000 miles. The interior is in fair shape and it runs and drives, but the engine may need a tune-up, thin the herd. A solid platform for someone who appreciates unique Volkswagen models. Number 16, 1976 Chevrolet Impala, $5,500, Morristown, Minnesota. This Minnesota-owned 1976 Impala is in good overall condition, with a smooth-running 350 V8 and turbo 350 automatic transmission. Original interior has a vintage scent, but is in great shape. New shocks installed. Not rust-free, but well-maintained with a solid ride and clean title. A reliable full-size cruiser from the mid-70s.